Heka AICC ubadekmi ya kejela Meghalaya Dr. Chela Kumar haka arp kundai trik risau ulaong bakam don setia kanu ke jingthmu ban bujli ya Vincent Pala kum President Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC. Katkum ke jing ong jong kam don setia kanu ke jaka kabalaj hakatika kam. Habakali halor ke jinglong nong yalam jong uba pala Dr. Chela Kumar ulayada ya da kabaong kumnop hila ban ong kumta namar badon kibami no nakaseng kongres kamot ba kadai ke jingpulom jong kinong yalam. Ula benrap ru ba kito kibami no naka parti bunsin kisha kring haki jingmentoy shimet bat ke kongres kamdon hangne ban bu dor yano ru. Une uhe ka AICC ulayaro ru ya uba pala da kabaong ba uday udkot kaseng kongres uba ay tilut yalade bat ubala syakri ru kum menteri haka sorkar pedeng bat ubala treshi tomru kum presiden ka PCC. Menta kibriu kibalami no naka kongres kilawan paibyang bat kito kibala syakri ya kejela haki benta beper ru kilawan rong syaka parti da ka bapediang ya kejinglong no yalam jong uba Vincent Pala ulaong. Nalor kata ula banjur ba kaseng kongres kabu syua hakmat ya kari bat kaplilat ban pediang sngubhab yang ya kito kiblas ngothu ya lagi jingbakla bat kibakwa ban syakri ya upat ba. Ngimdon hangne ban thit yanu ru kumbalong kiweipat kiseng sain pertei ulaong. Da kaba pediang ya kinong rim jong kaseng kongres uno ula ban yaso bat kaseng.
Because somebody left the Congress party, it doesn't mean that it is a failure of a leadership. If somebody is greedy, what can we do? We are not here to fix a price for some individuals. So, the journalism, you people have to correct the system of the politics. If somebody sold their people's verdict, it is the journalist who has to highlight that. Pala is a loyal congressman, dedicated congressman. He served as a minister in the union government. He is working hard as a PCC president. Today also, everybody has seen people who left Congress also coming back, and people who served the state in an NGO, as an NGO or different field, they are also coming back and joining the Congress. They are accepting the leadership of Vincent Pala. See, Congress party always looks into the interest of the nation. Nation first, then the party. So, if someone realized their mistakes, if they really want to serve the people of that nation, they are most welcome. But we are not here to purchase anybody, like the other political party. There is no price for any individual. By accepting the principles of the Congress party, anybody can welcome, anybody can join the Congress party.